Memorial of late Sri Paukomang Kuki, 1971-2011. This dwelling house is constructed in loving memorial of our beloved late Paukomang Kuki, who was born on 9/7/1971. Died on 9/4/2011. Directed by Sri Lungkholet Phanen and family. So in Patin, Yogi Chanen Nang Patin Koma. Tiga to cerita di tahun mangin tertipa usia. Ingin kapal train, tak train, umla musa, sumangsi yang mana itu konen, kecelai munjong sakai, kece in anak kalu, yang mana sain, insung umlau yang mana sain, kain yang mana nasim kali, kece konen, tunitan hin mipi hijeng se.